Okay, now I will discuss to you about subtracting integers using a number line. So let us remove these things first. I have here some sample. Okay, so this is our number line. These are our coordinates. The numbers below are coordinates. Then we have 0 at the center. 0 is the origin. Remember, the spaces are equal always. Okay, so let's start with number 1. 2 minus -4. Remember, this is subtraction. Subtraction is different from addition. Okay, so let's start with 2 minus -4. From 0, you have to count 2 spaces to the right because this is positive. Okay, so 2. You ended at 2. Now, since this is subtraction, you have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. -4 will become +4. So, +4 going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is your new line. Starting from 0, ending at 6. So, your answer is +6. Okay, next. -6. -6 is going to the left from 0. So, you started here. -6 is here. Okay, -6. Now, -3. Remember, this is minus +3. So, you have to change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become negative. So, from 6, -3. 1, 2, 3. So, you started here. You ended here. Now, what's the space here? -9. From 0 to -9. Next, -4. Starting from 0, again, going to the left. -4. Minus -5. Since this is subtraction, you have to change the subtrahend. This will become +5. So, you ended at 4, -4. Count 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you started here. You ended here. What is this space? +1. Okay, next. 1. Going to the right. -2. So, change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become negative. -2. Going to the left. 1, 2. Next. -3. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become +3. You ended at 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you started from 0. No. You started from 0. You ended at 2. So the space here is 2. Okay, let's try. From the rule of subtraction or subtracting integers, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. This will become positive. This will become plus. 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, check. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become negative. This will become plus. -6 plus -3. Same sign. Add the absolute value. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then copy the common sign negative. Okay, check. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become positive. Then plus. -4 plus 5. Different signs. Subtract the absolute value. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then copy the sign of the greater number. Positive. So check. Next. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This will become positive. Then the positive here will become negative. Then proceed to addition. 1 plus -2. Different signs. Subtract the absolute value and copy the sign of the greater number. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then copy negative. This will become -1. -1 plus 3. Different signs. 3 is greater than 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Then copy the sign of the greater number positive. So this is check. Okay.